Oh wait.
Remove that screw.
What happened?
I didn't do it. It like ended on me.
Oh, okay.
It started. No, it's already been saved, but like it like stopped the video.
Oh wait. How many minutes was it?
More than 20 minutes.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Holy moly, okay.
Alright.
I guess we do a part 1 and part 2.
Sure. Remove that.
Wait, what is this?
Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the red screw located inside the hole on the right recliner cover. This allows the recliner to be used.
Oh, I have to remove it completely?
Yep.
On both sides?
No, just one side. It's only on one side.
That's so strange.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
It's just a single screw. Alright. Step 8. Lift the chair and gently set it facing downward. If you are assembling an Omega or Titan, proceed to step 9A for throne. For throne, skip to step 9B. Whoa, which one is this? It's a do you know it's an Omega? If you're assembling an Omega, skip to 9A. Right. Okay. Alright. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I was saying something else.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm like looking at the back plate too, so.
If it's an Omega, alright. Attach the multi-tilt mechanism to the bottom of the seat base using the 4 M8 screws. Ensure the mechanism is in the correct position. Proceed to step 10.
Oh, this one right here. Okay.
Oh, it's on top of this thing? Okay.
Man, this must be a nightmare to set up in like small spaces.
It is. Huh. This is the hardest part for me. Because I don't know if it's this way or this way.
Let's look at the photo. Right here. So the line. Does it say it right here?
Wait, I think it's right.
This is right?
Yeah, because from the picture down here, if this is the back seat, it needs to be angled that way. Or not. I don't know.
It's a 50-50.
No, it's the worst thing ever. No. You gotta spend more time.
Didn't you, wait.
Okay, that's right. It's right.
Okay.
I think it's right.
Okay.
Alright, so use M8.
Okay. Alright, you get 2, I get 2. We were about to use. I thought these were spare ones.
No, I also thought they were spare ones. Wait, they don't have a spare? Wow.
I guess we would have to individually buy these if we didn't have any.
But they spend all the money on fancy packaging, but they can't give you spares?
I know, right? Normally they would give you things like these. Would give you spares. Oh.
Stuff like that might happen. Alright, allocate this. Oh, you can, I think, flip this around.
Okay. Oh, wow, it's magnetic too?
Yeah. So you can keep that forever now.
Dude, this is so useful. Yeah, we can keep this, Kim. Wait, Kim's gonna have a set too. Oh yeah, we're gonna...
Do I have to build her chair too? have to
Oh,
build
wait.
multiple chairs. Sometimes in the foreseeable future.
Oh yeah, kind of spoiled that. You know, hey, this is part 2 of the video, so definitely subscribe for the future chair video we're gonna do. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so well, the title will probably tell you what it is actually. Oh, and also like some people like they don't even say they have like that animation. Yeah.
What?
Like the GIF, like they did animation. I guess it is required to edit in though.
Okay.
But I decided that we're not gonna probably ever edit. We're probably gonna just pay someone to do it.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Alright, that's my bottom. Alright, cool. We did that. Step 10. Line up the grooves inside the lever handle with the notches and insert until it clicks in place. So that's.
This instructions, they use like foreign vocabulary I've never like.
What do you mean? No, it's not. It's basic chair terminology.
What? I don't know. I guess I don't know anything about chair terminology. But wait. Oh wait. Oh, this is what I do. Okay.
Ooh. Alright.
Wait, what? Did I do it? All the way in? Oh, all the way in.
All the way in. Oh.
Is it this flap? Or the other way?
I have no idea.
Like, I mean, they both go all the way in.
Yeah, but like. Wait. Let's see. It's gonna be weird. If I sit here, my flap should be. Do you want your flap this way or this way? You decide this. I don't want to be the person to decide what kind of flap you want.
Does it even matter?
Maybe.
Looks like. Oh.
So
Looking at this in front of the seat, so it's pointing like this.
alright, so you that way?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, I locked it. Oh, you can't unlock it. Okay, never mind. Yeah, we're good. You locked it in place. You locked it in place?
This one, no.
Let me see. Maybe, oh no, yeah, it is in place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just weird.
Okay.
So this is just the seat cover, the layer, and then this one. Sorry.
Okay. Well, we can move on to the next step, right?
Yep. I'm not gonna lock it anymore.
I think we're almost done. And you're right.
Did I lock it in place?
It seemed like you did. Maybe it's meant to be easily taken off.
Really? That's. Alright, whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
Step 11. Lift up the assembled wheelbase and insert the hydraulic piston into the socket of the tilt mechanism. That's over there.
All right.
Are you waiting for me to do it? I thought you wanted to do it.
Wait. Can you carry it?
It's not that
Okay.
heavy. It's not that heavy. It's light.
Oh wait, we do it from the bottom. Oh,
Loose. Alright. Alright. Alright, I think it's good. Now lift it up.
oh, lift it up. Okay. Ah.
Alright, you're throwing this set.
No way, it's done.
Yeah.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now please sit in it and adjust it to your tilt,
All right.
the height and everything.
I'm gonna sit down. Okay. Oh, it's like. Oh. Oop. Oh. This is nice.
Yeah.
What is this?
Stand up and press that.
No?
No? Other side? You should go up and down.
Oh, it's unlocked.
Oh.
Oh,
there we
this
go.
locks it. That's
Oh,
why.
okay. That's why.
This
That's
is the
weird.
lock and this is the height. Oh, okay.
How high can it go?
That's how high.
That's pretty high. It's taller than you.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay. I was
That's
like,
way taller than you.
it felt short. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is perfect height. Or, yeah. Yeah, my nails
Wait.
now.
Oh, okay, cool. So, should adjust, but it's not. Oh, here it is. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
It's this side. Yeah.
Wow, this is so different from my other chair.
Yeah, it's a gaming chair. It's great.
This is my first gaming chair. Huh.
Oh, wait! You're not experiencing the whole thing.
Oh, wait.
Forget about these.
Oh.
Yeah, totally forgot.
I thought I was done.
No. Here you go. How do we install these? The random pillows and so on. What does that say?
Maybe it's self-explanatory.
Yeah. You wanna?
Oh, wait. Is this for this right here?
Yeah, it's the back.
Oh, so you just sit down.
Does that make it wrong way? Or? Oh yeah. I think it doesn't really matter, right? Oh, it does. Here.
Wait, Omega and Secret Lab's the same thing?
I have no idea. Try it again.
Oh.
Now recline.
Oh, wow. This is pretty relaxing. Wow. I was like, wait, I didn't even experience a real chair.
No, you just experienced the base chair.
Yeah, now I'm experiencing.
And now you feel it.
Wow, okay.
That's the lumbar support and the neck pillow.
Okay, well,
I think that's it, right?
thank you, Sang, for helping with 90% of the setup.
Yeah.
We'll see him again.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
don't have to go another chair. I didn't know this.
All right, now let's go over here. Do our outro. All right, to wrap things up. How many bets are we at? I forgot how many bets are we at.
We have the Apple iPhone bet for the
USB-C cord.
Yeah. The second one was I forgot what it was.
Oh, I know it was was it McDonald's?
No, that's for the Apple USB-C or not.
Yeah.
Second, I think we just had two bets.
What was the other bet? Man, I need to look at my other videos. You guys need to check out other videos. Wait. Was it the Disney one?
Disney one? Yeah, it might be, but for what reason though?
I know there was a second bet. Okay, anyways, guys,
We'll figure it out.
check out our other videos. I'm just pointing in midair. I don't know where we're going to have it. I'll see you guys later.
Subscribe.
That's it.